This is BTM News reporting the last tsunami in Fukushima, Japan. My name is Ben.
My name is Tetsuya.
And I am Mirai.
Today is March 11th, 2011.
It's Friday!
It happened 2:46 p.m.
Thousands of people are running from the tsunami that is more than 9.3 meters high.
The water filled up the whole town in 2 minutes flat.
We're actually standing on a one-story house.
The earthquake measured 9 on the Richter scale.
The focus was 24 kilometers deep.
The area of inundation was 561 kilometers.
The name of the earthquake underwater is called a reverse fault.
The name of an earthquake in Fukushima is called Tohoku Pacific Ocean earthquake.
This is the fifth most strongest earthquake ever to be recorded in history.
On the Pacific part, that was the main part of an earthquake.
Some say love, it is a river that drowns the tender reed.
The early estimate magnitude 8.9 was later revised upward.
Hundreds of aftershocks followed in the days and weeks after the main earthquake. There was also a big accident in a nuclear reactor where they generated electricity in Fukushima. That also caused big problems for the city.
The earthquake was caused by the rupture of a stretch of subduction associated with Japan, which separates the Russian plates from the subducting Pacific plate.
Many people in Fukushima are sad because many of the relatives are lost or dead. They're under houses, ships, and debris, and they are still not to be found.
The epicenter was about 80 miles, which is 130 kilometers from the northeast coast of Japan. We believe that the Mercalli scale was IX, which is extreme.
A tsunami warning was issued, but nothing prepared the country for what was going to happen. Or worse, most of the damage was done by the tsunami rather than the earthquake.
I am in the main part of Fukushima. It is really cold here and it's snowing. When I came here, I found out at least 20,000 people died, and the great majority of those killed were drowning victims of the tsunami waves. Basically, tsunami waves goes into the town and back to the ocean. So many people get into the tsunami and bump into floating houses and cars and die before actually getting to the ocean.